All right, the extended whip for West Coast Swing. A lot of people find this difficult, and sometimes I find this hard to teach, but there's a skill for the leader that I need to develop and a skill for the follower. First, let's learn the gist of the pattern, then we'll talk about the things that make it quote unquote hard. So we dance 1, 2, 3, and 4. Normal whip just goes back, back, anchor, but we're gonna extend that 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, a 9, 10, 11, and 12. That'd be a good amount to extend it. If you extend it longer than that, you probably forgot how to come out of it.
You're stuck.
So the trick happens on 4, and this is the skill we need to master. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have to be able to feel my follower's weight. The skill for my leader is I need to be able to pivot my follower on that foot. Notice I'm holding her weight, and step across and catch it, right? So this would be count 4 of the whip. I need to pivot Megan and then catch her weight, right? So if we do that again, and we'll break this down a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is the pivot. I step across for 5. We step 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what's the skill that I need to learn as the leader? I'm going to show you the skill as the follower first because it's going to improve my lead. What is it, Miss Megan?
Followers, you need to be able to pivot on one foot. So just a pivot by itself, you're stepping onto the foot, you're going to turn and keep everything in the same position, then rock back, replace your weight. You're going to try to turn a half a turn.
And I'm going to freeze you right there. So you notice when you turn as the follower, your weight is always forward over the ball of the foot, right? Even though we're stepping forward and pivoting back, my weight is still forward over that foot. One more time, please.
Do you want the actual pattern?
Sure, the whole pattern.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Bingo. So the kind of numbers she was adding in there are the part that I need to get good at, the right before she goes back. So I need to be able to maneuver her. You saw this earlier. 2, 3, and 4. So I've got Megan on that foot. So try to take a step.
On that foot, dear.
Try to take a step. She can't, right? I've got her weight. I'm pivoting her on that foot. So I need to learn the skill within my hands. So my footwork, if I get to count 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need to leave myself some space to sneak this foot through. On that count 4, I have I'm stepping her back for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's the key. If the follower isn't comfortable pivoting on the ball of their foot, it's going to make my life harder. If I can't control her weight on that step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The final trick that is tricky, and this is the part that I definitely teach, but I don't think people have quite as bit of a hard part with this, it's that sneaking the foot across. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This foot has to sneak out. I'm making this exaggerated. Sneak out of her way as I'm pivoting her and step in a place where I can catch her weight, right? So I'm in a position that she can get over her foot, pivot and catch her weight, right? If I were to put that foot in the wrong space, you can see that I can't catch her weight, and now she's going to be off time, and it's going to feel poopy. So that is the extended whip in a way that you can do it so you can look good, feel confident on the dance floor. Speaking of looking good and feeling confident, if you're not a member of our website, you should go check it out. I'll leave the link right here. It's like Netflix for dancers, everything you need to be a fantastic social dancer. We'll see you on the dance floor soon.